A is for Allah. B is for Bismillah. C is for charity. D is for dua. E is for Eid. F is for fasting. G is for Gizwa. H is for Hajj. I is for Islam. J is for Jazakallahu Khair. K is for Kaaba. L is for La ilaha illallah. M is for Muslim. N is for Namaz. O is for Uhud. P is for Prophet. Q is for Quran. R is for Ramadan. S is for Sunnah. T is for Tawheed. U is for Umrah. V is for verse. W is for wudu. X is for exalted. Y is for Yasin. Z is for zakat.